As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. Tingles means cause a slight prickling or stinging sensation, right? So here Evelyn explains that how does she identify the music? It creates a sensation in her skin, in her cheekbones, and even in her ear. So every part of Evelyn's body responds to music. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips, and through that she feels the music. When she, plays the xylophone, she uses sticks, and she could sense the vibration of the sounds produced by that xylophone, which passes through the sticks up into her fingertips and to her brain, and she responds to the sounds then. By leaning against the drum, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. Resonance means echo of sounds. When Evelyn plays the drum, she leans towards the drum and she can feel the echo flowing into her body. So whenever she is playing the drums, if she wanted to feel the sound, what do you think she does? She used to lean means she doesn't try, she is not trying to listen to through her ears. She is bringing her waist forward towards the drum so that she can feel the notes made by that drum. And on a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration passes through her barefoot up to her legs. So whenever she performs, she used to perform on a wooden platform so that she can hear. And she used to remove her shoes also so that she can feel the vibrations of musical instrument that passes through the floor and into her feet and then up to her legs. So this is how she feels the sound of the musical instrument while performing on the stage, so that she cannot miss or she cannot give a bad performance. Let's move on. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audience. In 1991, she was presented with Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. So she used to delight her audience so nicely by giving a good solo performance, and for that also in 1991 she was presented with the award by a soloist of the year award by Royal Philharmonic Society. They awarded her, they felt that she has some magical powers to give to the public. She was so good at playing without listening to it. So she was awarded. She was also awarded by Grammy. She was also awarded with many different awards, right? So James Blade, who was a famous percussionist, once said about Evelyn. Now James Blade is a master percussionist, and he has his words were the ones that we read before we started reading the chapter. So according to James, although God had taken away her hearing ability, she is more strong. She has more strong power of sensing sounds, which is more than a human who could hear with ear to become a great musician. It is very, very amazing thing. So that is why she became a great musician. Evelyn confessed that she is something of a workaholic. I was just got to work, often harder than classical musician. So here workaholic means a person who finds difficult to stop working. So Evelyn tells that she is workaholic means she wants to work and work only. She's very hardworking, she doesn't stop working. I just have got to work often harder than classical musician means now to be at par means with those people who can hear who are classical musicians, she has to work harder than them. You know that why she has to work harder. But the rewards are enormous. So, and she explained that she had to, even if she had to work harder than other classical musician because of her flow, of her deafness, she is being rewarded with huge success thereafter. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals and to the deaf children also. So Evelyn does charity also. She gives free concerts in hospitals and prisons, and she also gives high priority to the classes for young musicians and the deaf children also. She also takes classes for young musicians, for those children who want to learn music, Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. So, Evelyn Glennie has achieved so much in life that those people who are double her age have also not achieved those many things, that much popularity and those many awards as Evelyn has achieved. So, these she has brought percussion to the front of orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very very moving. So orchestra is a group of people who are playing different musical instruments, and generally the percussion instruments like the drums and the xylophones are placed at the backward of the orchestra, or they are placed at the side. But due to her hard work and giving flawless performances, she brought that xylophone to the front of the stage, and she gives special performances with these percussion instruments. The percussion instruments have come in front of the orchestra because of her hard work and determination, right? She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can too. And that not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to the millions. So, in the last, Evelyn's story is really an inspiring to those people who are physically disabled. They feel that if Evelyn can achieve her dreams, even they can also achieve that. And Evelyn has given a lot of pleasure to her audience by playing such good music. And I request, if you also feel to have want to take a feel of music played by Evelyn, go and you go to YouTube, just press Evelyn Glennie. You would have good number of her shows. So till then, bye bye and keep starting.